Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your PayPal account is permanently limited, don't panic. In this video, I will show you what you can do to try to fix it. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can fix PayPal permanently limited account. So when your account is permanently limited, it means that PayPal believes that there is a risk or policy violation. So first of all, you will have to come on paypal.com and then you need to simply log in into your account. Then you need to simply check for the resolution center, or the second thing that you can do is you can simply use the search bar and you can search for PayPal support. Now once you search for this query, you will find PayPal help center, so you need to simply click on it, and from here you can directly contact to the PayPal customer support team. You can directly message them, and you can even just click on the resolution center and you can even mail them. So whichever manner you are going to choose, you just have to simply ask them that please open my account, be respectful and ask for a second review. Also you need to wait for 180 days. After that you can withdraw your funds to a linked bank account even if the account stays limited. Now unfortunately, if PayPal refuses to lift the limit, you can't actually reopen the account again, but you can open a new one with different details in a different name and email. If you don't want to get into any trouble, create a new account, and I have also created the videos on that topic as well. So hope this helps. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.